Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy BTC, which is Bitcoin, on your gate.io. So what you have to do before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So for you to buy your Bitcoin, your BTC on gate.io, you have to make sure that your gate.io account is verified, so you'll be able to carry out transaction. In case you have not verified it, you can go over to verify it. So what you have to do, you have to make sure you are at the exchange side and at the home page. So here is the home page of gate.io, and what you have to do is for you to go over to trade. Look at it over here. Let me go over to it, and over here you're going to see Ethereum/USDT. So what you have to do is for you to go over to there, and you're going to see the search area here, or you can scroll down here for you to find BTC, or you can go over to search it. So let me go over to search it right away. So this is it. It's going to show BTC/USDT, and you have to make sure that it's at the buy side since you are going to buy. And over to the next one, which is smart market. You can put it in smart market or limits depending the one you want, but I will advise you to put it on smart market. And here is assessing the total of USDT, and you can see the price of Bitcoin here. You can see it here. So over to the total USDT, you have to put the number of BTC which you want to buy. So let me just put 2 BTC, and you can see here at the price area here is showing 2, and the limit is 1. You can also slide it down depending the total of BTC you want to buy. So here is 100%. You can slide it to 50% or any percent you want. So in order for you to buy BTC, make sure you have USDT on your gate.io account. Make sure you have it, or else you'll be able to buy BTC. When you are done with that, you can go over to buy, and that is how you'll be able to buy BTC on gate.io. Is very simple. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.